iffy intake box feeding to the stock turbo and out through a CTS downpipe, and then paired with the AWE full catback. She breathes pretty good. Sitting pretty on Boston's, paired with KW coilover, height adjustable spring kit, and racing line studs and lug nuts. So it's just pretty snazzed up. Cheers, thanks very much, man.
Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Just got these in from GK Tech. The super low ramps. These will be really handy for getting low cars on the hoist, on the two-post.
Oh. Today I'm just making a bracket for the fuel pressure regulator to sit on. This is just the start of it. I should go over here. Those two holes right there. I'm gonna just mount the fuel pressure regulator up here. Give you an idea, like so. It's gonna chill out there, and the return line off the regulator is gonna go to the return hose, and then the feed on that side will come from the other side there.
Got kind of a crazy one today. We've got some 22s off of a Tesla Model X.
I actually love this spoke design.
How many pissers did you have to put in it before it finally seated?
Only 90. Down at Paradigm Auto Works today, just doing a quick little dyno on the E36. Just picked up a supercharger kit and want to get a nice little baseline of what power it makes before throwing some boost at it. Yeah, see how it goes.